Heads up, we are tracking a powerful bomb cyclone for December 28th and 29th, 2025 that will bring a variety of weather hazards. I'm meteorologist Andrew Markowitz, and here's what you need to know. Our next storm system is a cold front that will come down from the Canadian Rockies and will rapidly deepen as it makes its way toward the upper Midwest, then the Great Lakes, and then New England. This storm is expected to meet rapid intensification criteria, at least 24 millibars in 24 hours, which would classify it as a bomb cyclone. Model guidance has this reaching the equivalent of a Category 2 hurricane over the tip of Michigan. On the cold side of the storm, this will produce steady snow that will be accompanied by blizzard conditions. For much of the Midwest, South, and East Coast, this will be exclusively a rainstorm, but as the cold front moves in and winds shift to the northwest, we will see lake effect snow crank up. When all is said and done, at least half a foot of snow is expected in eastern Minnesota, northern and central Wisconsin, and western and northern Michigan. The highest amounts are expected on the upper peninsula, where some places could see 1 to 2 feet or maybe even a little bit more. Over a foot of snow is also possible near Lake Erie and Lake Ontario through the end of 2025. Additionally, we could see a pretty significant ice storm across much of the Northeast, especially from the Adirondacks of upstate New York eastward through much of Vermont, New Hampshire, and southern Maine. Additionally, as the cold front rolls through, we will see a dramatic drop in temperatures from a sea of record warmth over the central U.S. to bitter winter cold. This intense thermal gradient means that there will be some degree of instability present in the atmosphere, and that instability could produce thunderstorms. As a result, the SPC has issued a level 1 out of 5 marginal risk for the dark green zone that stretches from Arkansas to western Pennsylvania. This includes places like Little Rock, Memphis, Nashville, Louisville, St. Louis, Indianapolis, Cincinnati, Columbus, and Pittsburgh, among others. The primary threat in the zone is for damaging winds. However, there might be just enough spin in the atmosphere to produce a couple tornadoes. That is most likely in this dark green area. Otherwise, gale force winds of 50 to 60 miles per hour are possible across a large swath of the Midwest, Great Lakes, and interior Northeast. This certainly looks like a messy storm that will impact a large swath of the country and will likely pose significant travel disruptions regardless of which element of the storm you're receiving. For more updates on the storm and other severe weather all around the world, please make sure to follow me on all social media platforms so you can stay weather aware.